Hello everyone, and welcome back to Stoic Pulse. Today, we're diving into a powerful concept inspired by Stoic philosophy, the idea of getting just 1% better every day. How can this approach transform your life? Let's explore Stoic wisdom and uncover the secrets to continuous improvement. The concept of getting 1% better every day is all about making small, incremental improvements. It's not about giant leaps, but about consistent, tiny steps that add up over time. This idea aligns perfectly with Stoic philosophy, which emphasizes gradual self-improvement and resilience. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, believed in the power of small, daily efforts to achieve long-term growth. Let's break down how Stoic principles can help you get 1% better every day. Principle number 1. Embrace daily reflection. Marcus Aurelius was known for his reflective journaling. He'd review his actions, thoughts, and progress each day. This practice helps you identify areas for improvement and reinforce your goals. By reflecting on your daily experiences, you gain insights that guide you to be just a little bit better tomorrow. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day to reflect on your actions and progress. What went well? What could you improve? This daily habit aligns with the 1% better principle by helping you make small adjustments regularly. Principle number 2, focus on what you can control. According to Stoicism, we should direct our energy towards things within our control and accept what we can't change. By focusing on your actions and attitudes, you gradually improve your ability to handle challenges. This mindset helps you make consistent progress as you're not wasting energy on things that don't matter. Every day, ask yourself, what can I control in this situation? By concentrating on your responses and decisions, you make continuous, small improvements that add up over time. Principle number 3, cultivate resilience. Stoicism teaches us to build mental toughness and resilience. Marcus Aurelius often spoke about enduring hardships with grace. Embrace challenges as opportunities to strengthen your character. Each time you overcome a difficulty, you improve just a little bit more. Approach obstacles with a positive mindset. See them as chances to grow and refine your skills. This approach reinforces your resilience and drives incremental progress. Principle number 4, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness, a key Stoic practice, involves being fully present and aware of your thoughts and actions. By cultivating mindfulness, you enhance your ability to make deliberate choices and avoid distractions. This focus on the present moment helps you improve steadily each day. Integrate mindfulness into your routine through practices like meditation or simply by being conscious of your actions. This helps you make thoughtful decisions and maintain steady progress. Principle number 5, set clear, achievable goals. Marcus Aurelius believed in setting purposeful goals and working diligently towards them. Break down your larger objectives into smaller, manageable tasks. Each day, focus on achieving these small milestones, and you'll see incremental improvements. Define your goals clearly and track your progress. Celebrate small wins and use them as motivation to continue improving. This approach ensures you're moving forward, even if it's just a little bit each day. Principle number 6, maintain perspective. Stoicism teaches us to keep a balanced view of our achievements and setbacks. Marcus Aurelius emphasized viewing life's events with a sense of detachment and clarity. This perspective helps you stay focused on continuous improvement without getting discouraged by minor setbacks. Remind yourself of the bigger picture and stay patient. Understand that progress is a journey, and maintaining perspective helps you stay committed to the 1% better principle. Principle number 7, build consistent habits. Stoicism values discipline and consistency. Develop daily habits that align with your goals. Small, consistent actions, such as daily exercise, reading, or practicing a skill, contribute to gradual improvement and help you get 1% better every day. Focus on creating positive habits and sticking to them. Over time, these habits will become second nature, and your steady progress will reflect in your results. Principle number 8. Embrace continuous learning. Stoicism encourages a mindset of lifelong learning. Marcus Aurelius saw every experience as an opportunity to learn. By constantly seeking knowledge and new skills, you ensure that you're improving and evolving every day. Stay curious and open to new information. Whether through books, courses, or experiences, continuous learning fuels your personal growth and helps you get better daily. Principle number 9. Practice self-compassion. Stoicism isn't about harsh self-judgment, but about understanding and improving oneself. Marcus Aurelius spoke about treating yourself with kindness. Recognize your efforts and progress, and don't be too hard on yourself for occasional setbacks. Be gentle with yourself as you strive for improvement. Self-compassion helps maintain motivation and encourages consistent progress without burnout. Principle number 10. Reflect and adjust. Regular reflection helps you assess your progress and make necessary adjustments. Marcus Aurelius practiced daily reflection to understand what worked and what didn't. Use this insight to refine your approach and continue improving. Take time each day to review your progress and adapt your strategies as needed. This reflection ensures that you stay on track and make meaningful improvements. Implementing these Stoic principles into your daily life can lead to significant personal growth and continuous improvement. Subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.